Hey, how's it going? My name is Shannon and I own, along with my wife, a 1970 Airstream Safari 23. Today, I was watching some videos earlier today on these fans and how to replace an old fan with a new fan and all that. Well, not a big fan of these fans because we replaced this one about 5 years ago and it's already leaking. But how we got here is a long and strange story. Here's the deal with these fans, and let me go grab the box so I can see what model we got. So this is a Fantastic 4000, and I'm not a big fan of the Fantastics. I don't think they're that fantastic. So the way you want to start when you're having to do something like this, start with a CBD lollipop. Those always help. And wait until the hottest time of the year in North Texas to do this, because that's just the way we roll around here. We wait until it's about 100 degrees outside and 200 on the roof. Anyway, saw some videos earlier, and what I saw kind of had some blanks in it and some problems that I know from the past. This trailer's been sitting for a while. It's not finished yet, as you'll see as more videos come out. But the problem is it leaks. Now, it shouldn't leak. Number one, after only 5 years, because the Airstream vent that was on there for 35 years and didn't leak at all. So that tells you something's up. Either with the install, which I'm pretty faithful, my wife and her abilities, and I think she installed it just fine. But what I think is that on the Fantastic fans, unfortunately, all the framing is plastic instead of metal, and so if I get the time and the energy, I'm gonna go ahead and fabricate some new pieces for sale out of metal to replace Fantastic fans, plastic parts that tend to crack in the heat. And if somebody tightens the screw down too hard on top, that'll put a crack in it too. But anyway, as you can see, we got it opened up. Even it's amazing to me that on a trailer, it's super hot here in North Texas, but on a trailer that's been sitting around, look at the coloration change in the plastic on this vent fan. It's pretty awful, actually. There's the white, and there's the facing right there. So I'm pretty disappointed in the longevity of these. Only 5 years in, and basically it looks like it's 50 years old. So anyway, that's what we're on to. One of the things I saw in this video, which is very important, and it wasn't there, and why I'm making this video, you're going to have to get on the roof. Well, to get on the roof, you're going to need dark sunglasses, number one. Don't forget the lollipop. Number two is stay on the ribs when you get on the roof. Stay on the ribs, unless you weigh 100 pounds or less. Number three is go ahead and get yourself some yoga mats just for this purpose, because what will happen is after all, under the trailer, on top of the trailer and all that, they'll get little shards of aluminum embedded in them, and they're not too good for doing a downward dog pose. So that's what you want to do. You're going to lay those up here to cover, and then you're going to stay on the ribs as you go through here and get up on here. And we're going to have to scrape away all the Sikaflexes on the outside of this, all the Sikaflexes on the inside. Basically remove the fan. I might, depending on what kind of shape this housing is in, this mounting housing, I might replace that too. So this is the end of part one. Check in for part two. We'll be on the roof and tearing her apart. Thanks for watching, guys. I don't know where we're going with these videos, but all I know is once I saw some videos, I thought we need to do something a little more thorough and a little more in the interest of taking care of your Airstream and not causing more problems by not crawling in the right places on the roof and things like that, and giving you the heads up on that. Thanks for watching. I have a video channel called Texas Flycaster, so I'm a fly fisherman primarily, but this is going to be our home away from home as we go and fly fish in other parts of the United States. Thanks for watching.